So, you met a crooked lawyer, eh? There's some nice lawyers out there. Someone told me there was. I heard there was. But somewhere there must be a nice lawyer out there. Never met one myself. So let's examine how we can use ChatGPT to research and write bar grievances, affidavit of facts, and notice of claim. Suing an attorney is a three-step process. Step 1. File a bar complaint for each violation you identify. Step 2. File an affidavit of facts based on those violations. Step 3. File a notice of claim for your losses. This is your lawsuit. This will get Mr. Attorney's attention real fast. Mr. Attorney now has to contact your insurance provider and inform them that someone has filed a claim because of their actions or lack thereof. Insurance companies are ruthless and will not be happy with Mr. Attorney. Understand this: if they lose their insurance, they are done being an attorney. The rule of thumb is this: an attorney in his first year of practice gets one bar grievance filed against them. They will lose their indemnity insurance. Can't be an attorney no more. An experienced attorney that gets two bar grievances in 1 year loses his insurance. Can't be an attorney no more. And a law firm that gets three bar grievances in 1 year, the law firm loses their insurance. They can't be a law firm no more. If you file a valid bar grievance that leads to disciplinary sanctions against the attorney, they may lose their insurance or their rates will go sky high at the very least. And remember, it's up to you to prove clear, precise, and unquestionable evidence to the state bar of the attorney engaging in misconduct before the attorney will be disciplined or disbarred. ChatGPT is the ultimate tool for filing bar complaints, affidavit of facts, and notice of claim. Ask ChatGPT, what is attorney indemnity insurance? What is a bar complaint? What is an affidavit of facts? What is a notice of claim? Ask ChatGPT, what are common attorney misconduct? Ask ChatGPT to clarify the misconduct that you have identified. Cross-reference the ChatGPT responses to your state bar association's website to identify the exact bar rules for your state they violated. Then ask ChatGPT things like, how do I file bar grievances? Or write a prompt for it. Write an example of a bar grievance against an attorney, Jeff Toothaker, bar number 007523, for inadequate counsel, not preparing for trial, providing no defense, not filing motions upon repeated request. Keep tuning your prompt until you have your bar grievance the way you want it. Remember to file a bar grievance for each violation. After you file a bar complaint against your attorney, you can now draft an affidavit of facts related to the harm caused by the attorney for the alleged bar violations. It is a sworn written statement detailing specific facts and circumstances surrounding the harm you believe was incurred due to the attorney's actions or lack thereof. Ask ChatGPT, please give an example of affidavit of facts. Please give an example of an affidavit of facts against an attorney who used misconduct resulting in a $100,000 loss. Please give an example of an affidavit of facts against an attorney who used misconduct resulting in jail time and loss of a job. And then you get down to writing your prompt. Write an example affidavit of facts against attorney Jeff Toothaker for inadequate counsel, not preparing for trial, providing no defense, not filing motions upon repeated request. You can also ask it things like, please give an example of affidavit of status. And then ask ChatGPT, how do I file an affidavit of facts? It will likely come back and say you have to have it notarized and sent to the attorney by certified mail. Filing a claim. Because you have identified clear, precise, and unquestionable evidence of misconduct and filed a bar grievance, and because of their actions or lack thereof, and they have caused you harm by putting you in jail, causing fines and court costs, loss of employment, quality of life, pain and suffering, you have the right to sue that attorney for your losses. Ask ChatGPT, what is filing a claim against an attorney? How do I file a claim against an attorney? Please give example of a claim against an attorney. Then get down to writing your prompt. Please give an example of a claim against attorney Jeff Toothaker, bar number 007523, for inadequate counsel, not preparing for trial, providing no defense, not filing motions upon repeated requests, resulting in jail, probation, fines, court costs, loss of job, loss of a house, and pain and suffering in the amount of $225,000. And guess who pays that lawsuit? The attorney's insurer. The insurance company pays that. They're the ones that are going to foot that bill. So if you drop a bar grievance on an attorney, and you drop a notice of claim on the attorney, and you support it with affidavits of facts, you think that insurance company is going to be real happy with Mr. Attorney? All of a sudden, Mr. Attorney is worried about keeping his bar license and insurance. His rates will likely go sky high as well. So how's that process for Mr. Attorney? Use this process wisely. You have no idea how powerful this process is.